Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we are doing a total pantry meal. We're gonna do one of these canned hams with some pineapple, some mashed sweet potatoes, and some of our home canned green beans. You can have any veggie you want, and then I'm just gonna make a simple mixed green salad with boiled egg, onion, some grated Gouda, croutons, and some bacon bits, just to have something a little healthy on the side there. So we are going to open our pineapple, hopefully without making a mess and cutting ourselves. So there's a pineapple. We are going to open our ham. In the same way. I feel a sneeze coming on. Okay, we're going to put a couple of pineapples on the bottom. We are going to put that ham on top of the pineapples. When I was a kid, my parents used to buy those great big canned hams. Put some of that juice in there. And put pineapple rings with cherries in the middle. You could add cherries in the middle of these if you want as well. And then put clove all over it. I think that's why I don't like clove too much. It was a lot of clove. I will rinse that out in this and put it in the recycle, but I'll see if I want more of that juice. And then we are going to cover this up, and I'm just going to put it in the Cuisinart / toaster oven air fryer doohickey all in one thing. So I'm just going to pop that in. For about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll check it. And you can just pop that into your regular oven at 350. And then we will just follow the directions on this, and it asks for 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of butter. So I will make powdered milk for this. So we will get our green beans. Still has water for me. Just wash those pans. Going to add some bacon drippings. And that's it. I think I seasoned these pretty good when I canned them. And then I will make my powdered milk to make my sweet potatoes. And that's it. Make my salad and dinner will be done. I might make gravy with if there's some drippings from that ham. Okay, very hot pan. So be ready. It's our water, our milk, seems like a lot for it is. I put a 1/4 cup too much. Took a 1/4 cup out. One cup of water and our butter. Okay, still looks like I'm hot. And this is for our sweet potatoes. They're not orange. Wonder if they turn orange when you add it. It's weird. Oh, it's orange at the bottom. So it must be white potato mixed with sweet potato? I don't know. I don't know. So we're going to bring this to a boil, then add just to a boil so you don't boil over, remove from heat, and stir them in. Our green beans are hot. Salad is on the plate. Ham, I just took the foil off. See if it'll brown a little. So I'll be back when everything is done. Okay, there's the potatoes. Here's our ham. Everything is hot. So take a piece of pineapple. It's ready. Now you could totally do this for a holiday dinner. This is my husband's plate I'm making. We will taste it when I make my plate. So there it is. There's your pantry meal with the addition of the fresh salad. But you could do white potatoes. If I had white potatoes, I'd make the gravy. So that's it. I'm going to hand this off to him and then make my plate. Okay. So this is a lot of food. So you could feed everybody with this. Easily feed 4 people with this meal. And I think if you made this for a holiday and gave everybody their plate, nobody would complain. Yes, it's a little different, but good nonetheless. Okay, let's check out these sweet potatoes. Everything's hot. Creamy. Not bad for instant at all. They do have cinnamon. I can taste it. A little piece of pineapple. A little piece of ham. Very juicy. It's good. Could totally do this for the holidays, you guys. So if you have a stock pantry, you're having trouble out there, you can do this for a holiday dinner and everyone will be happy. So you all stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay warm, and I will see you in the next video.